edition of Tommy Bird. Thomas won't get off his ass and do anything. Again.
Play video games.
Well, since you can't be bothered to get off your butt, you get to meet a new friend.
I don't need to meet no friend.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
What are you doing?
What do you want?
Oh, shit! Oh, fuck you!
I got stuck. I just want to give you a hand back.
Stop it! Damn it! What?
It's okay, he's gone, dude!
He's gone?
You better come out, he's gonna crawl into the window!
No!
I don't want to break the door.
Oh!
Break the door?
Break the door.
Break the door!
Break the door.
Break the door!
Why just go crawl into the window?
No!
Wait. Stay there. He's coming, dude! Hey, don't go out there. Don't go out there. Stay in here. He's going through the fucking window, dude. Dude, get the fuck out of there and run. You better fucking run. He's not. Did he not go to the kitchen?
It's gonna smell in here.
He ain't in there, fool. I'm serious. He went out through the fucking window.
Alright, I'm done. No. Chase him back into the bathroom. The window's open. Thomas, you can use the bathroom now.
No!
Why?
He's going outside, dude. He's gonna get in. He's gonna get to you.
Try the penny no more!
Come on out. Be a man, you fucking pussy.
Fuck you! I hate clowns!
I know you do.
Did he go back into the bathroom?
No, he's still in the fucking thing.
Hey, get out of my room!
Mom, is there a clown up there?
No, there isn't. Come look.
Okay.
Go back into the bathroom where you're safe. Close the door and lock it. He can't get you in there.
I gotta get this out of
Get him! Get him! Fucking pussy's locking himself in every fucking room. Hey, don't be locking yourself in other people's rooms, fool!
Oh shit! No! Oh my god! No! Oh my god!
Okay. Feeling good, Thomas?
No.
Finally got you.
Hold up. I got an idea. You like the idea of making him a balloon?
Yes. Balloon animal.
You would be out now.
No.
You freaking be out. I hate clowns. Oh god.
Open your mouth.
No, not yet. Not yet.
Oh, you're stepping on it, folks.
I want you to.
Good!
You gotta tape it in his mouth. Alright, tape it in his mouth.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't really want to. I don't really want to. I'm sorry. Oh.
Keep this face.
I'm sorry.
We're gonna blow him up. Balloon animal.
Wanna do the honors?
We got it. I'm scared.
Balloon animal, here we go.
Get off the cord.
Ready?
Ready. Balloon animals.
Oh, I'm sorry. I won't let him recover.
Balloon animal. I like balloon animals.
I'm sorry.
I didn't know you could make birds with balloon animals.
What are you looking for?
What are you looking for?
Oh,
Funny.
oh God.
I think I left it in my room.
I'm sorry. I won't let anyone. Oh yeah, I can't. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I won't miss any more time in bird. Just let me go.
That's it.
Oh shit, he's back! Ah! No, not this! No, not this! No!
That's not fair.
Need more tape?
No. This'll be okay. Damn you. You think you're funny. You think you're smart, but you're really not.
This is just fucked up. Put the air. Sit still.
Oh.
It's gonna be like popcorn.
Popcorn. Popcorn.
No popcorn. No popcorn. Oh God, I can't look at you.
Give him a kiss.
No! You good now? I won't miss the worst of it, bird! Please get away from me!
You gotta do what the fans want?
I guess. I'm sorry. Oh, God. Ah! That hurt me out!
Wait. Giggles, drag him out a little more. He's kind of stuck in the corner. I need to be able to film from all angles.
Ah, my hair.
Get over here. Other side. Other side of me.
Oh my God! Oh.
Give him a hug.
No, please.
And this concludes another episode of Tommy Bird.